This tutorial will explain the info section and function buttons, guiding the user through the steps required to obtain a correct and meaningful analysis of the radar data. The positional information section in the upper left corner of the screen shows the X and Y coordinates, the layer depth indicated by the down arrow, and the layer thickness indicated by the equal sign. The units of measurement for layer depth and width can be changed under Settings. The 2D, 3D button is used to switch between the two visualization modes and also indicates which is the active view. The Parameters button has a great influence on the quality and the depth scale of the visualization. Changing one of the parameter settings automatically triggers reprocessing of the whole dataset, immediately showing the impact of the change on the visualization. The visualization setting affects the way data is displayed, but has little impact on data processing. Users have the ability to visualize not only radar data, but also EM sensor and ferroscan data. Under the Configure function button, the shown data as well as the visibility and colors of objects, lines, and markers can be set using the Show Hide Colors function. The visibility of each element can be controlled by using the checkbox. The Extras function can be used to generate a report, export the current view as a 3D model or 2D model, enter image scan coordinates, and create a preview icon for the scan list. The Annotations button is used to create a spatially fixed note that can be placed in the 2D visualization by using the Annotation Markers function. The Distance Marker section lets you add a marker, allowing you to visualize showing the distance between two data points. In the Comments section, users can leave written comments and play audio comments recorded via the monitor. The Drill Holes function is used to place or edit drill holes in the 2D visualization, including depth and diameter information. The 3D visualization shows the drill holes in a cylindrical form. The Snapshot function can be used to capture the current visualization on the screen and add one or several of these images to the generated report.